Xiaomi will introduce its Band 10 to the market.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.
The Smart Band 10 will be a 1.62 inches AMOLED display and automatic brightness adjustment with 60 refresh rate. If talk about the battery life, there will be up to 21 days battery life. This will be the big battery support for this amazing fitness tracker. Other features: built-in heart rate sensor, built-in GPS, calories burned calculate support, distance count support, sleep tracking, message notifications, incoming call notifications, and water resistant. The fitness tracker will be made out of an aluminum alloy. The design will not be changed at all from the previous version, and you get the same screen diagonal width and the panel. It will be a welcome improvement. The panel will be easy to read in bright sunlight during the day and makes for a much more useful torch in the dark. Talk about the main specifications. It will support operating system iOS and Android. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.